Want glowing, youthful skin? We all do. Imagine waking up every day with a radiant complexion that makes you feel confident and vibrant. The answer might be simpler than you think. It doesn't require a trip to the spa or a visit to a dermatologist. It's not about expensive creams or treatments. Those can be costly and often filled with chemicals that might not be as beneficial as they seem. It's about what you put in your body. The foods and drinks you consume daily play a crucial role in your skin's health and appearance. Natural, nutrient-packed juices can be a powerful tool for fighting the signs of aging. These juices are easy to make and can be tailored to your taste preferences. Juices deliver a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants directly to your cells. This means your body can absorb these nutrients more efficiently. These nutrients are essential for healthy skin cell regeneration and collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and elastic. Think of it as feeding your skin from the inside out. By nourishing your body with the right ingredients, you can achieve a natural glow. Ready to discover the fountain of youth in your kitchen? It's time to explore the benefits of these amazing juices. Let's dive into the world of anti-aging juices and unlock the secrets to a healthier, more radiant you. Your journey to youthful skin starts now. As we age, our skin naturally undergoes changes. These changes are a part of the natural aging process that everyone experiences. Over time, our skin loses its youthful appearance and starts to show signs of wear and tear. It's a normal part of life. Embracing these changes can be empowering as they reflect the journey and experiences we've had over the years. However, some changes, like wrinkles and fine lines, can leave us feeling less than our best. These visible signs of aging can affect our confidence and how we perceive ourselves. Collagen, the protein that gives our skin its elasticity, starts to decline. This decline in collagen production is a major factor in the development of wrinkles and sagging skin. This leads to sagging and a loss of firmness. The skin becomes less resilient and more prone to drooping, especially around the eyes and jawline. Add in sun damage, environmental toxins, and poor diet, and the effects become even more pronounced. These external factors accelerate the aging process, making the skin look older than it actually is. The good news, we can fight back. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can mitigate some of these effects and promote healthier, more youthful skin. By nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, we can slow down the aging process and maintain a youthful glow. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants, staying hydrated, and using quality skincare products can make a significant difference. Enter the power of juicing. Juicing allows us to consume a wider variety of fruits and vegetables, packing in more skin-loving nutrients than we could eat in a single sitting. Freshly made juices are bursting with antioxidants, which combat free radicals that damage skin cells. They also provide essential vitamins like C and E, crucial for collagen production and skin elasticity. Remember, it's not about masking the problem. It's about addressing the root cause of aging by providing your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Section 4. Superstar ingredients for a radiant complexion. Not all juices are created equal when it comes to anti-aging. Some juices are packed with essential nutrients that can significantly improve your skin's health and appearance. Let's look at some superstar ingredients that can transform your daily juice into a skin-loving elixir. Pomegranates. These ruby red jewels are packed with antioxidants and are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help in reducing skin inflammation and can even aid in repairing sun damage, giving your skin a natural glow. Spinach. This leafy green is an excellent source of iron, which is essential for healthy blood flow and skin cell regeneration. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A and C, which help in maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are loaded with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that promotes collagen production. Collagen is crucial for keeping your skin firm and youthful, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By incorporating these ingredients into your juices, you'll be giving your skin a powerful boost of youth-enhancing nutrients. Regular consumption can lead to a more radiant complexion, making you look and feel more vibrant and youthful every day. Section 5. The ultimate anti-aging juice recipe. Ready to get blended? Try this simple yet effective juice recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup pomegranate seeds, 1 cup spinach leaves, half a grapefruit peeled, half a lemon peeled, 1 inch ginger root. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly. Juice all ingredients using a juicer. Stir gently and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness. Tips: add a splash of water if you prefer a thinner consistency. Adjust the ingredient quantities to suit your taste. Section 6. Embrace the glow. Your journey to healthier skin. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating this anti-aging juice into your daily routine, you'll be giving your skin a regular dose of vital nutrients. While this juice is a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, it's essential to remember that true beauty comes from within. Combine a balanced diet with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep for a holistic approach to aging gracefully. Embrace the journey, nourish your body, and let your inner radiance shine through.